Japanese restaurant. So, ang review namin is Kawa Restaurant. So, Kawa Ramen.
Kabarami.
So, magaling namin siya nakikita kaya hindi ko bilang kumakain doon kasi parang ang konting options.
Oo, parang 8 ramen, 8 kanin, tapos sa likod, a la carte, something and drinks.
Wala silang set, no?
Wala silang sets.
Walang ramen sa set. So, yeah. We have shoyu ramen at saka chahan
and
with
kaali. Yes.
So, yung ramen,
It's Hakata style.
It's Hakata style. Hindi talaga siya soy based.
Oo, parang more on tonkotsu based siya, tapos creamy.
With shoyu lang siguro.
Very, very creamy siya. Even yung noodles niya is thin and firm. Parang Hakata style talaga. Very close to Hakata style.
It's nice.
Yes, it's very good.
Pero walang seaweed. Siguro naubusan or...
Or talagang wala lang seaweed. Yung
Oo,
style
kasi-
na. We don't... Ako lang naman sabi ko, no?
Parang may ano eh.
Anyways.
May...
Parang filter, wala. Pero kita mo yung delicious ko. So, filter to.
Anyways, yeah. Yung
So,
karaagi
yeah.
nila,
It's good. Parang chicken balls.
in-import na itong chicken style.
Pero
Pero
yung
masarap.
texture tsaka lasa niya is very karaagi pa rin.
Masarap. Masarap siya.
Even the chahan is good. Not very good, but it's good.
Hindi siya super oily.
Oo.
Tsaka hindi siya fried rice lang.
Oo, may kasama na siyang ulam.
Hindi kasi yung nakain natin before parang fried rice lang talaga.
With egg lang, no?
Parang fried rice with egg lang. Omurice dapat yung pinag lang before.
Oo, na parang fried rice. So, disappointed ako.
Pero ito, masarap naman siya.
Yes, it's good.
Masarap din yung ramen. So overall, I think
I think, oo.
sulit.
Konti yung options, yes, pero worth it
I
naman.
think it's much better na konti yung options.
Hindi ka mahirapang pumili. Kung may gusto kang kainin na paulit-ulit, it would be the ramen.
Oo.
The shoyu ramen.
Masarap.
Tsaka mura lang siya, 295 yata. Good for 2 na siya kung hindi ka matakaw.
Well, pumunta ka pa, so
Saktong-sakto. Oh, tas mura pa, di ba? Masarap din yung matcha ice cream nila, though matcha enough lang siya, hindi siya matcha para sa akin. Para sa kanya, matcha na yun.
Matcha siya.
Hindi.
Well, hindi siya yung tulad ng tsukiji na
Yung Tsukiji, matcha talaga.
talaga para papatay.
Very matcha yun. Matcha yun. Yun yung masarap na matcha. Yung pag kinain mo, ganon dahil sa matcha. Down talaga. So this one, hindi. May lasa mo yung milk eh.
Well, yes.
Unlike yung sa Tsukiji talagang matcha.
Manamis lang sa konti.
Very, very light yung tamis. So,
Pero
matcha
may
enough.
May drizzle na ano na.
Parang vanilla, no?
Hindi, ano yung parang sugar.
Basta something.
Frosting.
Basta whatever. Basta sabi ko nga, matcha enough. Hindi siya matcha, but it's matcha enough.
So, yun.
Tapos yung price din niya, mura lang, 130 lang yun. Medyo malaki siya, medyo tall. I'll just post a picture picture here. Yan, mga pictures sa taas. Kasi yun yung may space. Diyan. Dahil pa-vertical tayo today. Matry lang namin ang vertical.
Yes.
And then the price, total na kinain namin was at around 800 kasi discounted siya. But kung walang discount, nasa 1,000. Tapos 6%.
Hindi, 700 something yung binayara ko. 752.
O so mga nasa 800 plus with a service charge of 6%. 6 ba 8? 6%. Your
Ay, hindi.
8% yata.
Basta ba service?
Basta less than 1K yung kinain namin dalawa. Total of, 3 items, 4, including the dessert. Tapos di na kami nag-drinks, tubig lang.
Masarap.
Yes, it's quite good.
This is
Gonna be a short one. So yung Kawa ramen na kinain namin is right across Shibere. Next, Shibere. Fine, Shibere. Shibere. Oh. Then next to, hindi man next to, malapit din sa Pande Manila, just in case you wanna give it a try. Yung Shibere, pinost ko rin dito, di ba? Yung kumakain talaga tayo. It's not an after meal review. This one is an after meal review na. But yes, this will just be like less than 5 minutes. It's quite good. But you guys try it. Pwede namin siyang balikan to try other ramen. Pero their shoyu ramen is good. Very good. Hakata style.
Hindi mo talaga siguro.
Kasi, nung nag-Hakata Japan kami. So there, buyers.